Hello and welcome to the Lash Brow Directory, a directory that's been created for lash and brow experts like yourself to be able to advertise your business and get found by potential customers. Today I'd like to give you a tutorial on how to claim a listing. So first you'll need to search to see if your business name is actually on the directory, and if you've recently received an email from us then you'll know that you are on the directory. Now what you need to do is go to this section here under search for a service and add your business name. And hit enter. Now your listing will come up if it does exist on the site. So I just use lashes just so I could show you more than one listing. Here's an example of a listing that has been claimed, and here's one here that hasn't been claimed yet. So if that is your company, then click on the company name and it will open up the actual listings page. You need to scroll down to is this your business? Claim it now. Select claim it now and you'll be taken to another screen where you do actually need to add your email address and create a password just so that we can send information back to you. So that's why we have this here. Enter your email address and a password that you'll remember and register your account. Now this opens up another screen where you can add information about your company. So anything that you want us to know, add into this box here and then submit your claim. Now by submitting your claim, you're sending us an email where we can look at your details. And if we agree that you are the person that should be claiming that company, we will approve it in the back end of the website. So at the moment you can see it's pending. Once approved, you will be sent an email letting you know it's been approved. And at this stage, you can log back in and actually update your listing, which would be done from your dashboard, and then add your listing. Or your listing. So you can use either of those to update your listing. Now, once you get into your listing, you can update your contact details. So put your phone number on there, also your website or social media sites, and any information that you have about your company that you want potential clients to see. Now, there is a contact form on there, which is why you needed the email address as well. So if anyone wants to send you a contact, that will get sent to your email. And depending on which membership you've purchased with us, you'll have different features. So of course we have a free membership. So when you claim your listing, you instantly have a free membership. But we also have our boosted business membership, which allows you to have access to the booking system along with a few other extra special things. You can check that out on this page here. And we can also send you some more information about it as well. But that also will give you access to the booking system, which we're very super happy to have on board at the Lash and Brow Directory. Anyway, I hope this makes sense to you. If you have any questions, please email us at info@thelashandbrowdirectory.com and hop on now and claim your listings. We'll be very excited to have you part of the community and part of the directory where we're getting potential customers every day looking for people just like you.